It's Wednesday the 27th, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The main headline question is the new MPC member going to be a dove? The euro is reactive ahead of the EU summit later this week and the dollar posts gains as risk aversion continues. I'd like to start this morning's session with Who's Who with FX Plu because Ian McCafferty is a legend. Hello Ian. He is a 63 meeting veteran of the MPC. He has voted 18 times for a rate hike in all of those meetings, making him by far and away the most hawkish member of the MPC. Hooray for Ian. However, Ian is about to stand down and he's going to be replaced by Jonathan Haskel. Who is Jonathan, I hear you ask? Well, trust me, he's just well good at all the economics and stuff. But anyway, Ian out, Jonathan in. You still with me? That's all good. However, Haskel's view is that the UK economy will suffer a dip at the very least following Brexit, and he is currently concerned about the effect that higher UK interest rates would have on the economy. So why is this interesting? Well, in the grander scheme, it's probably not. However, in the last MPC meeting, the market expected a 7-2 vote. We got a 6-3 vote, slightly more hawkish, when Andy Haldane changed his vote to yay. Anyway, the market took hope that it may mean a rate hike in August, and this helped support sterling. But now that our arch hawk and hero Ian is being replaced with a more dovish Haskel, these hopes have now been dashed, and yesterday cable fell to a low of 131.90 as the dollar improved. See how that all works? I mean, as a side note, sterling euro was pretty much unchanged on the day, but that's by the by. Back to business. In the EU, the summit starts later this week. Whilst we expect a united front to be maintained in public, regardless of what is said behind closed doors, immigration has become an extremely emotive issue and is likely to dominate discussions. Angela Merkel wants an agreement over what to do processing the migrants because several member states, including Italy and Spain, are just shipping them on now, which is actually contravening EU policy. And Merkel's coalition partners feel that their open door policy is being taken advantage of. So domestic pressure for Merkel back in Germany makes this EU summit high stakes for Merkel. In the run-up, euro has turned pretty reactive and euro dollar fell back close to support at 116.20. Meanwhile, over in the US, the market is sitting on its hands waiting for Trump to move next. Global equities sold off and the risk aversion trade helped benefit the dollar. We saw the dollar index move higher to 94.60 yesterday, which is getting ever so closer to the 95.25 resistance. If you have any question about Who's Who with FX Plu or anything else today, pop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you.